First thing we're going to do is take off these two 10mm bolts right here. Now we're going to just loosen these Allen keys right here. Just slightly, so we can adjust the cam's position. So I'll put one bolt in first, and tight. Second bolt. And then we're going to grab our Allen key. Actually, first we're going to put our hoses on. Oh. Alright, so we have to loosen the hose clamps slightly. And we're just going to take our side cutters, make a nice clean cut so it's flush. This up over here. As you can see, these hoses are tight. That needs to be loosened a little bit more. On. Should have grabbed the socket. Yeah, it's good. That ain't going nowhere. So this line, this is our inline, so this is going to hook up to the PCV. So we'll route this like this. Route it so nothing gets kinked. And then we can trim it right about there. Right about there. Another clamp. So let me put this hose away. So the original hose we already disconnected. It's this one right here. The PCV is right here. So we're gonna run our new hose to there. God damn, this engine is hot. Jesus Christ, man. Note to max, don't beat your car before someone's gonna work on it. Fuck. Alright, so we're gonna have to flip that around actually. Full spot. Alright, cam is on, get the clamp over. Clamp is on. Let's tighten that fucker up. Ah. Oh, holy Jesus. I'm getting burned like a bitch. Need a socket. Hold on, Slap. 1/4 inch. And there we go. That's tight. That's on there. We can take a twist tie and secure it. But I don't think we have to. That looks good to me. Alright, so now since we have the can position, actually, you know what? Let's look at the other side first and then we'll mount the can. Still recording? Oh yeah. Okay. By the way, there are 5 feet of line, 2 sets of 5 feet. So even though this install is on the driver's side, most of the kits being shipped out are on the passenger side. There's more than enough hose to get it done. As you can see, we're trimming them extra short. This is 5 feet right here, so it more or less spans the entire engine bay. All right. Again, 1/4 inch and cut. Mint. Alright. We're going to trim out check valve. So this is where we have to trim. We'll run the hose around here, under the intake. Twist it around so those get kinked, and then run it back into the original vacuum hose. So I think we're gonna cut the hose. We'll cut it right about there, and then if anything, we'll cut it shorter. So let's fit this guy. Now, the check valve has a arrow. You want the arrow to be like this. So from the catch can towards the manifold. So you don't want boost coming back into the catch can. That's where the check valve stops. So one way, you can blow through this way, air can't come back this way. So if we hook up like this, let's just test fit that. That's actually perfect. So let's tighten that up. And the clamp is going to be super tight on this guy. And there you go. And then there's some twist ties to mount the lines, secure them down. And the final step, where's our Allen key, is to tighten up the Allen heads on our catch can. and then secure the lines, and that's it with the twist ties. Good to go.